everyone, it's me Hanian. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to have a mukbang. So yeah, chicken spicy mukbang. So kani siya kay ako rin gahin mo ani no then amot lang ipuan mo siya wa. Wow. So mga to siya, mga on no. Then on. Ala, kan on? Oo, ala ka doon. Sige. Mother, so let's start. Mukbang ra. Oh, mukbang then. Kaon sa dira. Uy, no, dito ka. Chicken. So, storya sa dito. Yan, nakausap ka. Eh? So, namin ko alam. Luwa lang. Pansa, pero ikaw ano mo sa taon sa animals. Iwi. Ano ito? Yan na daw. May laro kaming gagawin, no? Ano siya? Hulaan namin yung kanta na ihaham niya gamit ang mga tunog ng mga hayop. Tapos, pag hindi mo na hulaan, ano dito? Titik. Okay. Me first. Yeah. May layo na may mabig. Uy. Okay. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow, meow. Yes. On point. Ako. Kaya. Ow. Try ow. Oo. Top of the world. Yeah. Kaya po. Ay. So, madali lang muna. Easy round. Ikaw. Yeah. Ako. Tweet, 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 tweet. The tide is high? Yeah. Very easy. The tide is high, but I'm holding on. So, your turn. Ayaw sa man nga sounds. Ayun na. Gusto mo daw eh. Ano na just the same na lang sounds. Just the same. Ow, ow, ow. Ow, 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 ow. Wala ka ba? Hindi alam yung title. Ow, ow, ow. Ow, 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 ow. No? It's a modern song. Siente. Na. Sayop. Kabaw din na ka? Wala ka? Ayaw mo na? Repeat. Ow, ow, ow. Ow, 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 ow. Yay! Is that a song?
Yes!
I don't know. I won't try hard.
Savage Love. In your heart.
Ano? Suka patis. Okay.
Sarap. Ikaw naman.
Ako?
Ano na best?
Ang petsa na. Na.
Walang goals.
Mag-gym ako. Pero hindi ko pa.
Pero hindi fix. Iba-iba.
Vlogger ka.
Vlogger ko eh. Vlogger rin. Taka lang ka. Nagkikilis. Suba.
Di ba?
Vlogger.
Vlogger, you're a vlogger.
No, I'm not.
What?
I'm not yet.
Then what is that? What are you doing?
Wala lang.
Sige, I have a question. What motivates you to do these videos, to do the vlog? What motivates you?
Myself alive.
Explain more. Why?
It's just to memories. My travel, like in summer, go different beaches. Noon pa ako gustong mag-video, you know, but there's not enough time because busy. Then cell phone. Buti na nga lang ngayon, iPhone na tayo.
Because okay na. She keeps on watching videos of different vloggers. And maybe that's one of
No,
the things.
no. Ako rin siya. Ako rin siyang ganahan.
So, do you have any plans of stopping?
No, because the main reason that I take videos is to have memories that I can watch when I'm older. When I'm older. Ilabi na sa mga plaglaag.
So,
Kaon-kaon na ba?
since we're talking about vlogging, who is your favorite vlogger and why?
Paano ka na silang Jamil? Ma-inspire sa kanilang Jamil, Jude.
Ha?
Ng Jamil.
Ano? I don't understand.
So, Jamil is one of the inspiration kay sila ba? Hala ka nila, uy, da! Then, ganahan sa Jude.
Where's the Tagalog for
Tapos, gusto ko si Zainab Haraki because she's so generous.
English? Shout out. Hello.
Yon. Yon.
Do you want to ask me?
No, because
Wow.
you always read Wattpad.
No, I also watched.
What can you
Recently.
get about
Recently.
reading Wattpad?
Recently.
No, I know.
Recently, I watched the vlog of Steven Bansel and oh wow, it's
Benedict.
Benedict Kua. He's such a cutie. Yeah. What again?
What can you get in within Wattpad?
Just one time that I constructed in mga 3 sentences because
Story?
oh yeah, to make a story, like Wattpad, because myself, I think I am more in writing than speaking. So I don't know, maybe I've tried to write, but yeah, it's not
Easy.
It's not easy. You need full dedication to write, and also you need the
Passion.
huge imagination.
Passion.
Yeah. Maybe my passion is just to read, not to write.
Yeah. Yeah, we're done eating. I'm done eating. She's not done eating.
Done.
So she's done eating. So guys, that's all for today's video. Yes, we're done mukbang. Mukbangers. Mga
Mukbang,
mukbangers. Then,
Is this a mukbang?
yes, of course. Then, please comment if you want to comment. Then, yeah, feel free. If you don't want, okay.
Suggestions.
Yeah, so thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it. Bye-bye. See you on my next video.